Machon en jatend migawe pacho kaendi kendo jaod bura mar Ariede kinde mokalo manindo Rafael Tuju okwayo Kwee kendo gande kinde niendi ma jonjore midendo gi dhombo kaka gunsa osebedo ka monjo rombegi mopogore opogore ka otwak e boma niendi ma Kisumu. Tuju wacho ni Kisumu en kanyendo ma oganda nitiere thuolo mar mondo mi koro gimole kendo taa chendo magi mopogore opogore kokwayo rowere mar mondo mi oyie one ni gibedo jogo eko ma ok tii godo e weche mag siasa kendo jiwo jo Kenya mangima mar mondo mi oyie onya Kwee kindgi.
As a shopper, walk in the streets as a free Kenyan, and I think it's very important that we send the right message to the rest of Kenyans that Kisumu is not a town of goons. I know we have a lot of unemployed children. Many of our children are employed. They are suffering. They need jobs. They need opportunity. But the fact that somebody is jobless and in that respect hopeless does not become a goon or a sangwenya. So I think the engagement I've been having with the youth is how do we resolve our problems peacefully? And then how do we make sure that they don't take, certain leaders don't take advantage of them, pay them money so that they fight each other with bows and arrows, clubs and pangas. That is not us. That is not us. We are a gentle people generally.